A day full of drama. Australia lead by 333 runs at the end of day's play. Team India managed to get 6 wickets for 91, but Australia still standing at 228 for 9 on the scoreboard. Exciting day 5 ahead. What did you think of that, Amay? What did you make of
Uh,
that?
Classic Test cricket. The best part about is like it was even at one point. The win predictor be it was showing like 49-50 or something to Australia and some 44% to India, and it was only a 5% chance of draw. So इतना अच्छा Test cricket का day
सही
था,
में.
and like we can have history tomorrow, but it can also go horribly wrong. So yeah, I mean that's what you want from the day 5 at like a Boxing Day Test match as well. So exciting day.
Yeah, 333 runs ki lead. Matlab, it's a formidable lead. I remember when last time India had chased down something like this was back when we played in Gabba in
Yeah,
2021 when Rishabh Pant hit that epic 89. And I'm looking
yeah,
at the summary of that match, and the pattern was very similar, right? But I think
yeah.
still like the lead that Australia has put out there, I think उनकी भी थोड़ी फटी हुई थी देख के कि how the pitch is playing. I was sort
हाँ
of
हाँ.
expecting them to maybe declare by the second session or like get India
Yeah,
for like 10 to 15 overs, but that didn't happen. But yeah, looking at how the day started, so पहले तो भाई Constas, Bumrah revenge completed.
yeah. He got the send off, the perfect send off. He
Perfect
like,
send off. That's
yeah,
good.
that's what.
But that
Time
was
to,
so satisfying to watch, right? Like Bumrah showing Constas ki bhai, keep it in your pants.
uh,
Still
but
early
but
days.
good thing also was that we did like why they couldn't declare in the second session also was because we kept it tight. And भाई कितने लकी हो गए वो लोग. पहले ख्वाजा ड्रॉप हुआ, फिर like Constas got out.
Yeah,
He was also trying his luck, couldn't, like so many plays and misses. I feel bad for Akashdeep
yeah,
because
dude.
he was bowling so well, but he has 0 wickets when
I
he
think
could have
he
easily.
has had like that kind of a series overall only, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
his numbers don't really reflect the way he's been bowling,
yeah,
and
yeah,
he's been pretty decent and pretty unlucky. Uh,
yeah.
but speaking of like bowlers other than Bumrah, right? Like I think Siraj really stepped up today. He
Pumped up.
looked,
Yeah, he was
yeah,
pumped up.
he looked like on fire. Looked at his best. He
Yeah,
was running in like full no rhythm. दिख रहा था भाई वो जैसे वो भाग रहा था, which was sort of missing in parts that first innings and in the pink ball test match as well. And yeah,
उसको बू भी तो कर रहे थे. I think that also got him charged up. And once Travis had got out, फिर तो भाई उसको पता है अभी कोई भी किसका भी ले लूंगा भाई. So yeah, I think that was it was actually very good from Siraj till the point till the actual end parts of the session
he
where like yeah, but we'll get there.
we'll get there. We'll get there. But yeah, speaking of Siraj, even the Khwaja wicket, I think the setup was amazing.
Amazing.
And मतलब वो उसके पहले उसको डाले जा रहा था बाहर बाहर बाहर, और फिर उसके बाद उसने वो एक वन वेंट थ्रू द गेट एंड
Yeah,
वेरी गुड सेटअप अगेन फॉर ट्रेविस हेड ऑल्सो. मैन आई थिंक ये लोग फाइनली फिगर आउट कर दिए कि भाई इसको विद इन द स्टंप्स डालेंगे बॉल तो ये आउट हो जाता है स्टार्टिंग में. एंड
yeah.
दे डिड दैट अगेन एंड ही एंडेड अप प्लेइंग इट ऑन द लेग साइड. बट या मतलब वहां से तो फिर आगे देखोगे तो 80 फॉर 2 थी ऑस्ट्रेलिया, राइट? एंड वहां
हाँ.
से इंडिया ने उनको 91 फॉर 6 लेके आए. बुमराह ने वहां पे खड़ा कर 3 विकेट्स
Only
निकाले,
Jassi
सिराज ने
bhai.
भी एक विकेट
Only
विकेट
only
निकाला.
Jassi bhai. Yeah.
Jesse Bhai again proving why he is what he is, right? Like he is the best
Yeah.
player in the world without a doubt. And he's crossed 200 wickets also in Test match cricket at an average of I think some
20.
19.6 or something,
Yeah.
which
I
is
think
the
he's the
best.
first bowler to do that, like under 20 average. So that shows
Un-
how great he's been.
Unreal, man, unreal. But kind of worrying by the end of it. He मतलब आज end of day पे वो काफी tired लग रहा था. Like there were a couple of times जब उसके direction में ball भी गई थी and he
हाँ.
looked very stiff like while fielding. And fair
Yeah.
enough भाई वो हर innings में आके 25-25 ओवर डाल रहा है and
हाँ.
just like carrying the bowling attack on his own. Uh, but yeah,
There's also a clip going on, by the way. There's also a clip going on Twitter where like Rohit is asking, begging him, कि एक और डालेगा क्या? And Bumrah is like, no, bro, I'm done. Yeah, I saw that funny clip going on. So yeah, but he's like bowled his heart out
yeah,
and like still picked up wickets. So yeah, I think he's bowled over 50 overs this test match, both the innings combined. So
100%.
that's a
And like
monumental
अभी
effort.
यहाँ से जो next test match का turnaround time है वो भी काफी quick है.
I think
So
4 days, right? Four,
yeah,
four, 5 days.
3rd Jan ko I think चालू हो रहा
Yeah,
है next test. So the turnaround time is very little. It's very important that he gets the rest that he deserves.
yes. Yeah.
And speaking of that, man, speaking of Rohit Sharma and Rohit Sharma speaking his stump mic commentary, भाई इसको तो बहुत गाली मिलने वाली है जायसवाल को अभी.
भाई बॉक्सिंग मिलने वाले हैं उसको बॉक्सिंग डे. आई मीन
ये
बॉक्सिंग डे टेस्ट में ही इज गोना गेट सम बॉक्सेस. I mean, there was one point where they both weren't even looking at each other.
सही में
इतना गुस्सा था
एक
रोहित शर्मा उस पे.
आई थिंक जब उसने लाबुशेन का कैच छोड़ा था इसने जायसवाल ने
हाँ,
क्लिप में, उसके बाद द रिएक्शन फ्रॉम रोहित शर्मा जस्ट लाइक ही वाज लिविड. मतलब वो
yeah,
लग रहा था अभी जाके मुक्का मार देगा वो जायसवाल को. व्हाट डिड यू
yeah.
मेक दैट रिएक्शन?
I think it happens. Yeah, I mean, you
हाँ
drop
मतलब
catch,
हीट ऑफ द
it
मोमेंट.
happens. I think that is a bit exaggerated, and this guy is also your opening partner, so he looks up to you.
सही
So
में
I
and
think
मतलब
that
whatever
ठीक है
said
यार,
he
होता
is a
है.
kid. He's
Yeah, I
21
mean,
22
Kohli
year
also
old
dropped
kid.
catches. KL has dropped catches in the past. Rohit himself would have dropped catches in the past. That was a bit over exaggerated, but yeah, in the heat of the moment, I don't blame Rohit also because everyone अपन भी वैसे ही रिएक्ट कर रहे थे वो टाइम पे.
हाँ
So
मतलब हम भी बट हम घर पे बैठ के ऐसे रिएक्ट करें तो एक
हम,
बात है,
हाँ,
बट वहां पे तुम्हारा कैप्टन इन फ्रंट ऑफ लाइक वट एवर,
he's under pressure as well, right?
ही इज अंडर
उसको भी
प्रेशर.
पता
या
है रोहित को.
rumors
हाँ,
of him like put
yeah,
like
putting down
retirement also
slippers.
going around, so probably not the best state of mind. Rohit
Yeah,
Sharma. But yeah, that Cummins and Labuschagne partnership after
it
that
was a
first
lucky
catch
partnership.
also.
So much luck they got. एक बॉल वो आकाशदीप का लाबुशेन के ऊपर, स्टंप के ऊपर से गया.
सही में जब उसने डिफेंड
They
किया
were
ना,
drop
बाउंस होके ऊपर से चला गया. एंड
they
देन
were drop
Labuschagne
catches.
was given a
Cummins तो
lifeline.
एक टाइम पे बस बैट घुमा रहा था. Ball went in the air and it was just short of Nitish Reddy, I think.
Yeah, yeah. But I
So
think
many.
Pat Cummins still played very well, dude. Like he
Yeah,
had
he
a
fought.
proper game plan. वो हट
Yeah.
हट के ऑफ साइड पे ही खेले जा रहा था,
हाँ,
and like he made a lot of runs just by doing that. And Pat Cummins, man, you have to like मतलब he is some player, right? Like in the first innings also भी उसने क्या 49 बनाए थे. इस innings में भी आके low order runs, and they are so valuable, right? Like at that point in
yeah,
time 91 for 6 पे जब वो आया था तब ऐसे लग रहा था कि the match is going in favor of India. But yeah,
yeah,
both of them sort of gave them that momentum. And after that, yeah, Labuschagne, good wicket again from Siraj, comes
yeah.
back into the attack, gets that LBW. And after that, Rishabh Pant with a run out, like that was
Run
also
out.
pretty sharp. But भाई
Yeah.
उसके बाद जो हुआ है.
I mean, that's where we needed to seize the moment. But it's again Indian cricket and the ghost of the tail. But this is like beyond tail. भाई 50 रन की पार्टनरशिप मार दी है दोनों ने. And they're both looking solid.
सही में दे लुक सो कंफर्टेबल, राइट? लाइक नॉट एट ऑल ट्रबल्ड. कुछ मतलब ऐसे
Yeah.
मतलब देयर वर अ कपल ऑफ टाइम्स व्हेन दे वर बीटन लाइक आउटसाइड द ऑफ स्टंप,
Yeah.
बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट नथिंग मेजर, राइट? लाइक ऐसे लग रहा है कल को भी वो आगे, कल को और 10 ओवर खेले होंगे, उन्हें
और खेल
खेलेंगे वो
सकते हैं वो
लोग.
लोग आराम से खेल सकते हैं ऐसे. And and we got a wicket, but it was a no ball. So you know the luck is also
क्लासिक
not. So
लास्ट ओवर में. एंड मतलब मैं तो खुश हो गया था कि चलो भाई बुमराह को उसका फाइफर मिल गया जो वो डिजर्व करता है.
deserve तो करता है. हाँ.
I think in the last test match also he was stuck at 4 wickets and he couldn't get that fifth one. And
Yeah.
abhi yahan pe bhi he might still get it tomorrow morning. But yeah, a lead of 333 runs.
I
And
mean, 1 point तो it should have been like 250 के under.
yeah,
Because yeah, realistically 250, 270 also would have been a chase on. Now I think, I mean, but I knowing the team mindset, like Gambhir's mindset and everyone's mindset, they will still go for the win. But the danger is that going for the win, may you shouldn't lose quick wickets. Like you shouldn't be 5 down by lunch.
yeah, I don't know, man. I think it
थोड़ा
is.
draw के लिए देखना पड़ेगा. But if you are 2 down, then go for the win.
I
Two
mean,
down,
like अगर इन लोग को थोड़ा भी पहले निपटा दिया होता ना, मतलब इवन लाइक
भाई फिर तो विन था.
25-30 runs, हम
Yeah,
लोग के पास अच्छा खासा चांस था. बट अभी साइकोलॉजिकली दे हैव द एडवांटेज, राइट? लाइक दिस
yeah,
विकेट पार्टनरशिप हैज क्लियरली ब्रोकन डाउन आवर मोरल. एंड लाइक एंड में सबका एनर्जी भी मतलब एकदम किसी को नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि कैसे आउट करें. एंड रोहित
हाँ.
सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया, राइट? लाइक वो जडेजा को भी लेके आया, सुंदर को भी लेके आया, आकाशदीप को भी लेके आया. ही थ्रू ऑल हिज कार्ड्स and these guys still didn't sort of give in.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think it's going to be an exciting day 5.
They have PTSD. They also have PTSD because they've
True,
seen what we can do when like if
true,
things
true.
go wrong. And it's not a dangerous wicket. It's still a flat pitch because
Very
Boland or
flat.
Lion ऐसे defend कर रहे हैं तो it's not as tricky as it should. But we never know tomorrow if Cummins like gets his act right. Boland है. We don't know how fit Mitchell Stark is because उसका भी कुछ तो side strain issue था. So if
Yeah.
he is not fully fit, that could be a big advantage for us. But
I mean,
let's see.
let's see how day 5 goes. I think an exciting day ahead. अगर इंडिया ने जीत लिया तो भाई I think
So,
we'll witness
yeah,
something epic tomorrow for
historic.
sure. वो ऋषभ पंत को recreate करनी पड़ेगी उसकी innings,
हाँ.
and maybe like a couple of more batters on top of that.
Yeah, the chase master, King
Chase
Kohli.
master भाई विराट कोहली. मतलब
इतना उसको ये किया है मीडिया में, द आई डोंट नो इफ यू फॉलो दैट, इट्स अ न्यूज़पेपर, वेस्टर्न टाइम्स और वेस्टर्न
हाँ हाँ
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
हाँ हाँ।
टाइम्स, they said something about Kohli. I can't remember something the
एक तो
conscious
मैंने
like,
देखा कि कॉन्शियस का फोटो आया कि
हाँ वही वाला वही
आई एम योर फादर और
I'm your father, yes yes yes.
something. But yeah, that's what you get with the Australian media, right? Let's see how tomorrow goes. I think anyone who's watching, who's new here, don't forget to subscribe to Ball and Banter and stay tuned. We're going to come back tomorrow. All right.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes, bye.
आज के लिए फिलहाल इतना ही। आपकी तरह मैं भी मायूस हूँ, लेकिन उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है। दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, और उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है। इसलिए आज के लिए इतना ही।